What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, and today we are going to be checking out probably one of the best looking cases for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra right now. Well, at least in my opinion. We are going to be looking at the Neo 1 MagFit case from Spigen. We did do an unboxing of this case as a short video if you guys want to go check that out real fast, and then come back to this video for an in-depth review. So this case retails for about $49.99 on Spigen's website. I was checking out Amazon listings, but this particular variant is not available on Amazon right now. It does have the white, clear, and the black variant available. So if you guys want this particular one, it's only available on Spigen's website as of right now. So I'm going to show you guys real fast all the different variants that are available. Let me bring my tablet in here and hopefully it kind of shows off all the different variants. So there's Ultra Hybrid that's built in with the MagFit. That's for $44.99. We have a Ultra Hybrid 01, which is just available in a white and black color, I believe, and that retails for $49.99 as well. We have this variant right here, which is what we have, and that one retails for $49.99. Then there's a one with the kickstand. That one retails for $54.99, if you like that. Then there's the clear one, available in clear and gray or black finish without the MagFit, and there's a crystal glitter available for $29.99, and there's a liquid crystal, I'm not sure what the difference is, available in crystal clear and a space crystal color, and these retail for $29.99 as well. So those are all the different variants that are available from the Ultra Hybrid family from Spigen for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I'm not too sure, but I think these are available for the regular S25 series as well, so you guys can check out Spigen on their website. All right, so let's take a closer look at this case. So it comes in this box, and like I said, we did do an unboxing. If you guys want to go check that out real fast in our shorts videos. And the box, we have the name. There's not much, it just comes in a plastic wrap, and it does say it's G2 ready. We can see that over there, and it has a MagFit for MagSafe built in, and of course it's designed for Samsung Galaxy. I'm gonna put that over there on the side. Let's take a closer look at the case. It does have this really cool tear down pattern. Might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I think it looks really cool. It has that 3D effect going on. Not sure if it comes up across on the camera pretty well. It has a really nice 3D effect, so it's kind of like a two-layer structure to the case. There's some print on the bottom and there's a print on the top, so it kind of gives that 3D illusion. Overall, it's a really, really solid case for your $1,300 investment. So if you're prone to dropping your phone, this might be a really good option, and it looks really cool, especially on the white variant of the S25 Ultra. So let's try this on and see how it looks. I think it looks really cool. You guys can let me know in the comments below how it looks, if you like the look or not, or if you like any of the other variants. Look at that. I don't know if it comes across on the camera, but this looks really cool. Look at that 3D effect that it has for the charging magnets right here. All right, let's check out the ports and cutouts. What we have on the right side, we got the volume rockers up and down. Got a textured power button, so you can differentiate that from the volume rockers. And we got a lanyard loop holes right here. On the bottom, we have the charging port, opening for the speaker, and of course the S Pen. Nothing on the left side, just a hint of Spigen branding right here, just pretty minimal. On top, we have cutouts for the mics. Let's check out the lips around the screen. Let's try to focus. Okay, As you guys can see, it's got a decent lip around the screen. So it comes across on the camera right about there. There we go. So it got a decent lip around the screen going around. So I've been using this case for the last about a week or so, and usually I'll put my phone facing up, right? But just because of this design, I've, I've noticed myself putting this case kind of upside down to have this pattern looking up, just because it looks so cool. So we have this lip around the screen that protects your screen, of course. And you can be certain, you can be assured that your screen's not going to scratch whether you have a screen protector on or not. Okay, so let's check out the cameras now. What kind of protection we have around the cameras, and you guys can see it's pretty flush. The cameras are not sticking out, which is always good. They do have the rings that comes from the factory, but it doesn't have that big of a lip, but it has just a little bit of a lip around the cameras that kind of protects them when you have your phone sitting face up like normal. Also around the corners, you guys can notice there's a little small bumps around in the corners, all four corners. That kind of protects this area as well, because it is paint after all, and I'm not sure how long it'll last, but Spigen does give you a little bit of a bump in all these corners that kind of protects this area as well. That way the paint doesn't scratch off. I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour of the pattern that they have. They have a little Spigen Neo 1 written, and these are actual magnets that can be seen from the inside, and this just has a little, this is just paint, and it has a little ridge or raised up area to it, so it has a nice feel. As far as protection is concerned, guys, Spigen does have these air cushions in the corners, as you guys can see, and we can actually, let me just take the case off and I can kind of show that off a little better. It's on pretty well, so you know your phone's protected with this case on. And Spigen makes really good premium products. Their cases are solid, and you know your $1,300 investment is going to be protected with the Spigen case on. So all right, so there we go. So as you guys can see, there's this little airbags right here in case of a drop. You know, these airbags, they're gonna cushion your phone and keep it protected at all costs. And all four corners are covered. They did have to move this a little bit because of the S Pen. Not sure if that's gonna be helpful. Hopefully you don't drop it facing S Pen side down. Yeah, this is how it looks from the inside. It's got that little paint, tear down paint scheme going on. Speaking in California. But yeah, really well built, good feel in the hand. It's solid, it's not going anywhere. I can try to squeeze it, it doesn't bend. It's got a nice rigid structure. And I know it's kind of like on the higher side. $49 is not cheap for a case, but then again, you're rocking a $1,300 phone. I think you can probably spend $49 to protect it, especially in case you know that you're prone, if you know you're prone to dropping your phone. Dish out another $49 and get this case. All right, so let's check out the charging on this phone. We have our Qi2 certified wireless charger from ESR right here, and as you guys can see, just snaps on, no problem. And we have fast wireless charging, an hour and 15 minutes till full. Right now it says 62, so that's not bad. As you guys can see, it's on pretty well. It's not gonna fall off. if you're scrambling in the morning to turn your alarm off and you have your phone charging, it's just not gonna fall off or anything like that. It's not gonna slide away or anything like that. So that's always nice. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. We took an in-depth look at the Spigen Neo 1 case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And you have to agree, this is one of the coolest looking cases on the market. It's got your Qi 2 wireless magnet built in. It's got these 3D effects, 3D teardown effects going on. And on the white variant, it looks super cool. Again, they're retailing these for $49.99 on their website, and I'll post that link in the description of this video so you guys can show Spigen some love. Again, thank you for checking out this video. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, you guys can support my channel by liking and subscribing. And I do these in-depth case videos, I do unboxings, all kinds of tech stuff. So if you're into all that, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for checking this video out. Smash that like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.